this is a cool surprise. Great hot rod. An interesting Corvette. Nice nitrous car. And big Texas trucks. I took my C8 Z06 to the Royse City, Texas, Buc-ee's. Every Wednesday night there is a car meet. Look it up on Facebook and join sometime. For now, let's see what this meet is like. The primary hostess is Tori Ann Dobbs, a great photographer, along with her wonderful family. At this date, October 10th, 2024, Brian of Redline Raceway Events was present promoting drag events in Kemp, Texas, with the support of the mighty Mr. Jim Higgy, aka Staging Lane Jim. Also present was the main Sulphur Springs, Texas car meet organizer, Scott Singleton, along with a very good Sulphur Springs supporter, Jordan Stewart. With him on the right is Dallas. Also from Sulphur Springs is Irv Larry, really a great car and bike enthusiast. And a good buddy of mine showed up, Randy Lynch. Not long after parking at Buc-ee's in Royse City on this Wednesday night, an advertisement truck was seen poking around. Noticed it had a picture of, well, the likeness of my C8 Z06. Super weird coincidence. And the lady driving the truck was cool too. Thanks a lot. When I first arrived, and this sort of thing happens a lot because this Buc-ee's is in a good car spotting location, this wild C7 got trailered in, so I felt like I had to share it with you. Now, let's just relax as I show you some of the cool rides that pulled in and had fun with us. here's a look at the south parking lot that was getting very full by the very start of this every Wednesday 6 p.m. Royse City Buc-ee's car meet. I would like to encourage you to come on out and join the fun. Look for the Royse City Buc-ee's Car Meet Facebook page. And remember, every Wednesday, 6 p.m., be sure to monitor the page for important updates and happenings. Thanks a ton for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and view. I have tons of videos for your enjoyment. And with that, please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.